Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use LazyWork to bypass Time Doctor and Hubstaff. I'll also be showing you their reports afterwards. So as you open LazyWork, you see the simple mode. You can choose your activity level, and it's very easy to pick and choose which interactions you want. When you go into the advanced mode, you can set everything from the time that mouse clicks happen to where they'll happen, so it doesn't mess up your workspace. If you choose one of the preset activity levels, it'll automatically set all of the settings for you that we've noticed give Hubstaff and Time Doctor that activity level. We have this show in system tray setting, which allows you to show LazyWork in the bottom right of your Windows desktop or in the Mac at the top. So we also have scheduled run. Scheduled run lets you choose what times you want to run LazyWork at. And if you notice at the bottom, I've changed the LazyWork icon to a custom one, and you can find more information about how to do that in our FAQ page. So I'm going to go open Time Doctor, and I'm going to start a project. I've put LazyWork into hidden mode already, and as I start Time Doctor, I'm going to be running LazyWork using the hotkey. So here I've started my project, and now I'm going to be starting LazyWork using the hotkey. I'll speed it up for you guys so that you guys can see that it's working, and then I'll be showing you the reports right afterwards. So LazyWork has taken over my screen. It will be moving, it'll be changing tabs, it will be scrolling, and it'll be using the keyboard. So once we get back to the Time Doctor screen, I'm going to stop LazyWork, and I'll refresh the page so that you guys can see that there's no unusual activity reports. There is nothing wrong with the activity for LazyWork, and you can see that all the activity is high. One thing to note here is that all the screenshots are different. It's really hard to tell the difference between real activity and the one that LazyWork is doing. If you look at the different apps that Time Doctor is tracking, you won't even see LazyWork on here. We've rebuilt the application as notes, and that's what you'll see here, that we've used notes, and it's undetectable. So here's more of the URL activities. It doesn't show up in here either. So it's very safe to use. Now, if we go into the Hubstaff dashboard, you can see that our activity levels are relatively high, averaging at 70%. And there's no unusual activity reports here either. Even with screenshots, you can see LazyWork was not in any of the screenshots, and our mouse and keyboard settings are quite high. Now, if we go to the user's individual activity time, we can see a little bit of unproductive app usage, but that's unrelated to LazyWork. This is just LazyWork when it's switched between the different application tabs, and you can set this up personally yourself. So now, if you see their individual activity levels, they're quite high. With no unusual activity reports, we can see all the different tabs, applications that were used, and you can see LazyWork is not on here at all. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully this has brought some insight to you on Hubstaff and Time Doctor and how they track things. And if you guys have any questions, just leave them below.